Hi everyone, how's life and welcome to another video. So as you can see, I'm at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel and I'm about to go and show you one of the coolest rooms they've got here. They've got themed rooms. The one I'm staying at tonight is a Tinkerbell themed room, so let's head in. Before I show you the room, I did want to show you the view that I've got coming just out of my room. Look at these beautiful chandeliers they've got going on here, the wonderful music that they play, that centerpiece water feature they've got as well. And actually I'm filming this quite late into the evening. It's about 11 maybe 45 p.m, so not a lot of people in the lobby at all. And these are the carpets that you will find all across Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. And once again, look how beautiful these chandeliers are. So majestic, and the ceiling of this hotel also goes very high up. With that being said though, you're not here for the lobby, you are here to see the Tinkerbell themed rooms I'm about to show you. And yes, I'm wearing my Lost Boy hat that I got from Fancy Springs today. Check out some of my other Tokyo videos that I've got on my channel in a bit, but let me get my card out. There you go, Tokyo Disneyland Hotel card, and my room number is room number. I'm staying in the room numbered 6307 on the 6th floor. There you go. Without further ado, let's head into the room, and already you can kind of get the Tinkerbell vibes. And let me quickly close the door. Okay, so this is what you see when you first enter the Tinkerbell themed rooms here at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. The wallpaper, as you can see, is basically leaves, very big leaves as well. Very nice. Same on the other side. Here we've got a door. It's a sliding door and it's going to take us to the bathroom and the toilet. I'll show that to you later on, I think. The most interesting thing is the actual bedroom. So should we just skip all this for now and go to the bedroom first? I think so. Normally I make you wait until the very end to show you the bedroom, the big reveal, but we're going to start with the bedroom this time. So we'll get to all this in a bit, but the beds and the bedroom, look at that. Very much Tinkerbell themed, all the greens, all the flowers. You can see the bedboards have 2 flowers on them, both the same. The wallpaper continues on here, and the top bit is actually kind of meant to be wood, I think. I like the throws that they've got on the bed too. Very nice. And then all the bedding here in Tokyo Disneyland Hotel is very nice and comfortable, and you might be able to spot some hidden Mickeys and Minnies on them. Very nice. You've got these flower cushions, and they're different actually on each bed. A couple of pillows. One pillow tends to be firm, one tends to be a bit softer, so you've got a choice. In the middle here we've got a couple of photos of Tinkerbell. There's Tinkerbell with a bird, Tinkerbell showing a map. Shout out to my friend Rebecca, by the way, if you're watching this. Rebecca's a huge Tinkerbell fan. She would absolutely adore this room. In the chest of drawers, we've got a torch, which is very common in Japanese hotels. We've got some postcards, which you can take home with you. They're not themed to this room. They're just generic ones that you can get if you stay in any of the rooms here at Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. A little notepad and a pen. You've got your telephone to make any important calls, reception, etc. My room was prepared by How today, so big shout out to How. Oh my god, you can tell how late it is. It's midnight right now. But yeah, I think you've more or less seen the beds. I will say the beds are comfortable. The mattress tends to be firm. That's just how it is generally in Japan. For me, it's perfect. I prefer everything firm. I prefer a firm pillow. I prefer a firm mattress. But if you're more used to like really soft mattresses, just bear that in mind before you come here. Anyway, so we've seen the beds now. We've also seen the bedside lamps as well. They're in the shape of flowers. Really, really lovely. You really feel like you're in a fairy tale actually in this room. And then on the opposite side to the beds, of course, you've got your flat screen TV. And I like the little details they've got on top as well. Have we got anything in the drawers here? Oh, there's your safe. And it's big enough for a laptop if you want to put that in. Nothing here. They do provide you with pajamas, which you can't take home with you, but you can definitely use whilst you're staying in the room. Right next to the TV, I do apologize. I've put so much of my stuff here. I only checked in a couple of hours ago, but they do have a mirror, again with similar lamps that they have above the beds. And I like the detail on top of the mirror too, except at the moment because of all my stuff, and I'm leaving tomorrow. This is my last day in Tokyo Disney. Yeah, I'm trying to pack. I'm trying to repack everything. I've got loads of merch stuff that I need to try and figure a way to take back home. But yeah, only half of the, well, I suppose 3/4 of the mirror is currently visible. And you can turn these on as well, by the way. Look. Oh, that's beautiful actually. Wow, the room suddenly feels a lot more lit. Speaking of well lit things, I also wanted to show you the lamp, the main lamp above, because I really enjoy this too. Again, it's in the shape of a flower. It's nice and red, and yeah, it provides enough light. That's what lamps do. Here's another quick pan of the room, and you can see there's also a table here with a couple of chairs. The chairs are also very much themed to the Tinkerbell room that they've got going on here. There's another one there, and that's just my suitcase. Please ignore that. Oh, nice artwork here as well. And it's not particularly Tinkerbell, it's just fairies by the looks of it. So that's really lovely, actually. I've only just noticed it. And then we've got this beautiful blue flower lamp, which I think is stunning. I think this is my favorite lamp of all the lamps in the room. The fact that it's blue might have something to do with it, but yeah, it provides some really beautiful blue lights. And yeah, that's more or less it, I would say, for the bedroom. Now, that window that you might be able to see there actually connects to the shower / bathroom, and you might be able to see an outline of Tinkerbell on there. Can you see it? It's really, really cool. And don't worry, you can't actually see through the window, like you can't see people showering, but it's just a nice effect. And the view as well, that's probably something that you might be interested in. Firstly, the curtains are quite nice. The view isn't the best. I mean, it's just the streets of Tokyo. And obviously it's late at night, so you can't see much anyway. It's kind of on the other side of where you would get the best views. If you want like theme park views, etc., they'll be on the other side of the hotel. And actually, if you're planning to visit Tokyo Disney and wanting to stay at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel, and you want a theme park view or just an amazing view at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel, then you're going to have to book a standard room. Like, these themed rooms generally tend to be the ones that don't have a phenomenal view. Oh my god, I've just noticed this table looks to be attached by a screw, because I guess we're meant to be the size of Tinkerbell, like we're fairies, so everything's a little bit bigger. I think so anyway. That's really cool, and that's just my laptop there. They provide you with these two if you stay in any of the rooms here at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. They're just tote bags with Mickey and Minnie on them, and they're very, very cute. But we also have one last mirror over here, and this kind of is giving me some Rapunzel vibes, but it's not. It's meant to be Tinkerbell. You can see me here in the mirror again with my Lost Boys hat that I got today and I absolutely love. And I think the time has now come to take you to the bathroom, because that's also important, right? People want to know what it's like to, you know, enjoy a bath here. So the bedroom is there. Then we've got a full-length mirror here, which I know a lot of you guys will find helpful. Currently I'm wearing my Peter Pan Cakeworthy t-shirt, and I've got a link for Cakeworthy if you want to have a look. It's an affiliate link. It's always down below. They do plenty of awesome Disney stuff. And this mirror is also awesome. Here they've got some cups and a kettle and ice bucket, things like that. Some plugs there as well. Oh yeah, by the way, there is some plugs by the bed as well. Obviously you could have probably tell that I was charging my phone. And then we have some artworks of Tinkerbell and her friends, some of the fairies, I want to say. Excuse me, I'm not very familiar with Tinkerbell's stories. Obviously I know her from the Peter Pan movie, but that's more or less it. I know there's like Periwinkle and a few others. In here we've got some glasses and sugar, things like that, things that you might need, tea, etc. And then down here is the fridge, and they provide you with bottled water every single day. Housekeeping will bring you some more. That is just something that I bought from the convenience store downstairs though. We've then got the wardrobe here, and inside it you will find some hangers, some extra pillows up there, a blanket, a rack for your suitcases, and of course Japanese hotels tend to provide you with slippers as well. I'm currently wearing mine too. And then last but not least, it feels quite weird to be doing it in this order, but the sliding door, let me just open it up, will lead you to the bathroom area. So here you can see the sink and a mirror. The mirror looks to be made of, I don't know, branches of trees and leaves and whatnot. It is cute. It's a cute little mirror. You've got some of these lamps again on each side. Of course, they provide you with towels and some amenity kits that you can take home with you. Literally all of this you're allowed to take home with you if you wish to. Some cups over there. We've got some tissues, and there must be a hairdryer as well, yeah. There's the hairdryer. And something I like as well about Tokyo Disney hotels is that they normally provide a stool for children, people who are shorter and might need it, etc. And then on my right hand side here, this will be where your toilet is, but I wanted to quickly show you what they have on the door as well. I think it's meant to be Tinkerbell's wings. It's really pretty anyway, and then when you turn the lights on, hopefully you guys can see, but yeah, the outline is still there. It's really cool. Very impressive. Inside it's literally just a toilet and actually a piece of artwork as well behind the toilet. And as you can see, the wallpaper does change. It's a slightly different wallpaper in the toilet here. Japanese toilets are amazing, by the way. Love them. And then on the other side, very similar, you have the wings of Tinkerbell. Turn it on. This will of course be your bathroom area. So this is the shower area. You've got your shower here and also a huge shower head up there as well, which is really lovely. That's the window that you would have seen from the other side from the room. And then, yeah, you've also got a bathtub. And the bathroom area isn't necessarily themed to the Tinkerbell rooms. I think if you stay in almost any of the Disneyland Hotel rooms here, you will get a very similar type of bathroom. But yeah, that's it. I love that lamp. And the ceiling is blue. Jokes aside, that is it. I just wanted to quickly show you this room that I'm staying at. And if you're interested, if you enjoyed this video, I do also have a lot more videos of amazingly themed Disney hotel rooms. A lot of them are actually here at Tokyo Disney. The Disneyland Hotel also has the extremely famous Beauty and the Beast themed rooms, which I stayed at last time. So if you want to, after this video, you can check that out. I'll leave the link down below. But for now, this has been it. I'm only here for one night and I like it. I don't even enjoy Tinkerbell as a character, but I do like Peter Pan and I enjoy any themed rooms, especially when it has to do with Disney. So I'm sure I'm going to have a lovely night's sleep here. I do need to pack because I'm leaving tomorrow. So I'm going to love you and leave you, but I would love to hear your thoughts on this room. What do you think? Would you like to stay here? Do you like Tinkerbell? Do you watch the other Tinkerbell movies that I've not watched? Leave all your comments down below. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Also, a huge shout out to my lovely Patreon members and YouTube members. You guys are absolutely amazing. And if you guys are interested in Patreon as well, the link is always down below. But I'm going to love you and leave you. Subscribe for more videos. Follow me on Instagram. I'm tired. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.